My name is Neil Jones with the Perfect Fit Alterations, 102 Main Street, Burleson, Texas. Our phone number is 817-447-3522. As we've been completely through the machine, we now come to the point of this whole thing, which is sewing. So in order to make a competent job or sewing job that we need to do, we need to make sure that the machine, which has all the adjustments on it, fits our fabric. Well, obviously we can't change the fabric that we have. Now, obviously we can select different fabrics, but when we have a certain fabric, this is a lightweight fabric, we would then take the fabric and put it here, lower the pressure foot. Now, in order for that fabric to move through the machine, there are some mechanisms underneath here that are called feed dogs. Now, the feed dogs go in a rotary fashion from underneath the machine, and as they come up, they move forward. They pull the fabric through in order to line it up for the next part of the stitch, and that's how the fabric moves through the machine. Now, the adjustment that we pointed out earlier at the top gives us the pressure on this foot, which controls the way that the fabric is pulled through the machine. So in order to adjust our machine to fit our material, we would then need to use this adjustment, and we would need to make sure that we had our stitch length where we needed it. We would take our fabric, place it in the machine, lower the pressure foot. Then we would go to the foot control, which is underneath the table that you can't see. We would then push on the foot control, and the sewing machine would then start to move. And as you can see, the material is being drawn through. Now, that's a very fine stitch. So we'll stop and we'll move this control for the sake of demonstration, and you'll be able to see that the fabric moves through a lot faster and the stitch is a lot longer.